Hey, what's up everybody? Shady Low back here again. Today's video is going to be a really quick tutorial on how you can upgrade the OS on your Mac. Right now I am running macOS Mojave 10.14, as you can see right here, on a MacBook Air 2017. And the first thing you always want to do before upgrading is to check if your Mac is compatible. So what we're going to do is go to the Apple website right here, and it usually has some information to check about requirements. So right here, it shows you the hardware requirements, and it has all the models that are compatible with macOS Catalina, which is the latest one out right now. Let's see, so I have a MacBook Air and mid 2012 or newer, so this will definitely be compatible. So now that we know that is compatible, if you're running Mojave, it's really easy. All you have to do is, like, you can even see the badge coming up right here. You go to System Preferences, click on Software Update, and it's going to check for any OS upgrades that are available. Might take a little bit of time. My Wi-Fi connection is a little bit slow, and I'm running low on battery right here, as you can see. And there you have it, macOS Catalina, upgrade now. All you have to do is click this. You do need, it looks like you need about, oops, let's see where it's taking us. Oh, it's taking us to the same page. So looks like you need about 8.18 gigabytes of space on the Mac to upgrade. Once you have enough space, all you do is click upgrade now. So you click upgrade now, and it's going to begin downloading the software. That can take a little bit of time to finish. I'm not going to do that right now just because I'm running low on battery. But once this download finishes, you're going to see an installer come up on the screen asking you to click install, and that's going to restart your Mac. That usually goes through a second process. It takes a little bit longer to complete. I usually just recommend keeping the Mac connected to a Wi-Fi network, a strong one, and keeping it connected to the charger during that process. And then once it restarts, it may ask you to go through like a few prompts, but after that, you're all set and you're upgraded basically. Now, if you're not running Mojave and you still need to upgrade, you just click this upgrade now button on the website. And there's a few ways to do this actually. So it's going to open the preview option, and it's going to open the App Store automatically for you. So once you do that, it's going to bring up this page. All you have to do is click Get, and it may ask you for your Apple ID, stuff like that, to sign in, and it's going to begin downloading, similar to how it's downloading in System Preferences right here. So that's if you're not running Mojave. If you're running something earlier and you need to upgrade directly, that's how you do it. So I hope you guys find that helpful. If you guys run into any trouble or errors, anything like that, just let me know in the comments, and I'll be happy to help as much as I can. So I hope you guys find that helpful. Please like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. It really helps me out. I appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next video.